this is APOB AI, and if you don't know what this is, you can see on the screen there are women talking at the camera. Now, these women look incredibly realistic, but they are in fact fully generated by AI, and you can see a little bit with their face movements that it is a little bit AI, but for the most part, if you were watching it on a phone or something like this is incredibly believable, and it's only going to get better. So that is why using a platform like this to create your own AI influencer could give you some advantage over other people. And if you're a bit camera shy and you don't want to be an influencer yourself, this is a great way to generate money. So here we are inside APOB AI, and we can see if we were clicking this is one I actually made earlier, and I've got a voice to go with it as well as a photo. I could then take this and create my very own video as well with this. In fact, let's do that right now. So if we scroll down here, we can actually see the image I have, which is my character here, Becky. And what we're going to do is actually press generate video, and then that is going to be the image we use for our video in this. Now, it's going to cost us 80 credits, super cheap here to do this. So we're going to click that, and then it's going to generate our video for us. So we're going to allow that to work its magic. But while we're doing that, guys, we should actually just take a look at what some people have created here. So if we scroll down, we can see everything from OF models, if that's your style, or maybe an adventurer on a mountain, as you can see there. But either way, you can create people out of nothing, and these people can generate you money. So yes, using AI could actually end up being something that becomes passive income for you via online sources. Now, how could you actually do that? Well, if we were doing, say, a documentary on lions, we could use something like this, as you can see here, very realistic. Or maybe we're doing an OF model where we have an Instagram model with a bunch of photos, and then people maybe want to donate to that model in exchange for pictures or something like this. This is another thriving business and industry that people are using this for. And you can do it very easily too. But if we scroll down here, we can actually see that other people have created their own influencers. So if we just click this one here, for example, and scroll down, we can see this is the exact same consistent person in a bunch of different scenes. And this could just completely fill up an Instagram page, which could be fantastic for generating follows, likes, and engagement. And it could be something that you can make videos with as well. We can see this one is a video, and we can also add lip sync and voices to this as well. So if we actually unmute our computer here, we can actually hit this button.
A fit, curvy female fitness model, 165 centimeters tall, with a toned athletic physique, defined abs, and strong legs. She exudes confidence in modern fitness wear, captured in a vibrant professional studio.
So that would be her voice. And then what we could do here is actually go over and go to the lip sync area and actually create a lip synced voice with her to have a full video of her talking to the camera on an Instagram or TikTok page. Now, the possibilities of this are basically endless. You could create content like this, which is a little bit more on the adult side, or you could go all the way down and create Pixar style movies. I mean, this thing is honestly very powerful. You can see my video is actually finished generating now. So let's actually hover over that, and we can see, yep, looks fantastic. And this would just be perfect on my Instagram page for this specific influencer, in which, yes, people would engage and like with this. Now, if we wanted to add lip sync to this, we can do so. So we can press generate audio, write in a script. Hi, my name is Becky. How are you? There we go. And then we select Becky's voice here, as you can see. Generate, listen back to it.
Hi, my name is Becky. How are you?
Good enough. And then we can then generate this and have it lip sync for that exact video. And here we can see it has finished. So let's actually click on this and see.
Hi, my name is Becky. How are you?
And here we can see it's actually synced up to saying, hi, my name is Becky. How are you? Which I think is really cool. And there's a lot of stuff that you can do with this. Now, this will require tinkering because AI isn't perfect yet, but I think this is a massive step in the right direction. And you can actually create these influencers like people have done on this platform already. And one of the best things is you can actually link your influencer like Becky here with the actual Instagram page or TikTok page here and directly post from here where you've made the video on to TikTok, which I think is pretty decent. Now, how much does this cost? We saw we used a few credits here today, nothing crazy to make those videos, but yes, the cost here is incredibly cheap when you're comparing it to actually hiring a model and having all of the costs associated with that. So here, yes, you could actually get 80 credits per day for free and actually start designing your own influencer right away. Or you can pay $8.99 for 4,000 credits per month. So that's going to get you a pretty decent amount of videos for that price. Or you could go to the subscription I'm on right now, which is $30 per month for 30,000 credits, which is a massive leap here, in which, yes, this is more than you will ever need. You could go higher if you want, if you're managing multiple AI influencer models, but in order to just make one, populate it with content, and see if you can create a business model like I'm doing here, then yeah, I mean, this is the perfect subscription, I would say anyway. So that is APOB AI, definitely one of the ones that are leaps ahead when it comes to influencer creation. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments what I should do next. I'm always happy to get involved and help you guys when it comes to making money with AIs, because that is the vibe here on the channel. But if you are interested in APOB, definitely check it out in the description, guys. We do have a link down there, so feel free to check that out. Besides that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out and goodbye from me.